Are you seeing errors created by the Control Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through a professional system-level restoration. As we prepare to resolve Control Library, consider using the diagnostic path below to ensure a stable environment for your libraries. This is the Control Library, the Windows Control Panel Support module. It provides unmanaged routines for launching and managing control panel applets.cpl. It facilitates the data link orchestration between the shell and system configuration manifests. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Since Control Library DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. When a standard software refresh isn't enough, we need to bypass the automated installers and look at manual system state resets. A simple restart can resolve file in use errors that mimic a missing Control Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Replacing Control Library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The optimization resource linked in the description provides background information on synchronizing Control Library. If you've regained access to Control Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.